Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends and play with friends in Crystal of Atlan. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to add friends and play with friends in Crystal of Atlan, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Crystal of Atlan game on your mobile device. Once you're in the game, the easiest way to add a friend is to simply click on a nearby player. But remember, you need to reach level 5 before you can do this. Once you tap on that player, you'll see an Add Friend option. Just tap it, and your friend will be added. Another way is to tap on the person icon, which will open a menu. Go to the Add section, where you can see all friend requests and even search for a specific player. Once you find them, tap the Add button, and they'll be added to your friends list. Now, to actually play together, you and your friend must be in the same channel. To check this, tap on the map icon at the top right, then select Channel and make sure you're both in the same one. Once that's done, go back to the home page, tap on the person-like icon again, and then tap on the search button. A menu will pop up. Here, tap on Create a Party. Next, tap on the plus icon, and a new window will appear where you can invite your friend to your party. Once they join, you can start playing together. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add friends and play with friends in Crystal of Atlan. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.